Hey everyone, just a short video to show you the sights and the sounds of Patong here in Phuket. Welcome to Globeguys.
Patong is the most famous beach resort on Phuket, and it offers visitors a wide variety of activities in nightlife. It is the ideal place to party and play. By day you can enjoy Patong's sandy crescent-shaped beach, which is lined with cafes and restaurants. But it's at night when Patong really comes alive with markets and entertainment galore. It's kind of coming up for tea time now. What we've done this afternoon is came into town about 2 hours ago, had a bit of lunch.
Had a nice massage.
And then just been for a beautiful, beautiful oil massage. So, both feeling very relaxed. I'm holding the phone up here and I could quite easily just put the phone down and go to sleep. So, but no, it was very nice. It was very nice. Hello, no suit, thank you.
These little Thai women, you know, they're like really, really strong when they're giving you a massage as well. So
yeah, everybody throw me around, seriously, you know. I mean, we had oil massages today, but in the past we've had Thai ones.
Yeah, we not Thai massages in Wahim.
Yeah, not understanding fully what was involved in a Thai massage, did we?
Yeah, it was
you
painful.
know, seriously, my body moved into positions that I never thought it was even humanly possible. It was an hour of pain. But I will have to say, you know, I must admit, I did feel
great after.
Feel great afterwards, yeah. But yeah. So ever since then we've avoided the Thai massage and stuck to oil. Call it boring, but it's relaxing, you know, when done properly, definitely. So the Phuket version of the tuk-tuk is, I don't know what its official name is, it's a van.
I think they still call them tuk-tuk.
Do they? It's like a van.
Whereas a tuk-tuk in Bangkok is like a little scooter with a bit of a cabin in it. This is like a little Daihatsu van.
Yeah. At night, so get music blaring, you know, as well, so keep it entertained as we're travelling to Patong.
And this is Bangla Road at night, or Walker Street as it's also known.
There's so much going on, seriously.
Yeah.
You know,
it's total chaos at night. Whereas during the day it's like a road, they close the road off at night.
Yeah, but at night it becomes very, very popular.
Yeah, it's full on.
เดี๋ยวนิมอนจะพาไปดู
Literally the heavens have just opened, so we're just taking shelter underneath the cover, you know, we're in Ryan's trench, aren't you? You know.
Still red hot though.
It is still hot.
Like really warm, things though.
Yeah. We are like literally tipping it down. Literally. When it rains in Thailand, it rains. Walking along Patong Beach right now, so it's quite busy today. But we've got a cruise ship in. You see a cruise ship there, Royal Caribbean.
We've docked in here before.
We've docked here before, haven't we?
So in fact, almost 3 years to the day.
You can see behind me here, that's a rain shower. It's literally just moving across. We're dry at the minute. The sun's hidden behind this cloud, so hopefully it stays that way. But then on the other side of us, we've got the darkest clouds ever, haven't we? So we're kind of sandwiched between two things here. We're hoping it stays sunny, you know, but dark clouds, sunshine, rain shower. So yeah, watch this space. Hopefully we don't get wet. So, but that said, it's nice to walk along the sand anyway, innit, to be fair.
Yeah.
So that brings to an end our video all about Patong in Thailand. Remember, the Globe Guys are across social media, so check out our YouTube channel, as well as Facebook, Instagram, and also our website. Until next time though, thank you for watching.